So networking with agents is one of the easiest hacks to build a strong lead funnel when you're trying to find deals. The conversation is really easy. So once you've educated yourself, you know how to underwrite deals, and you know what your buy box looks like, you're going to call an agent, introduce yourself, and tell them the type of property you're looking for and ask to be put on their buyer's list. So as long as you can execute and do what you say you're going to do, you're going to develop a really good reputation as someone that can close and you're easy to work with. And that's going to lead to a ton more networking and deals. And I know this sounds overly simple, but I promise it works. Even as established as we are, every single week, I still go on Google, I look for new agents in my area, and I make sure to make connections. And these new agents especially love connecting with someone that they know can execute. So if they get the opportunity for a pocket listing or some sort of off-market deal, they can send it your way and actually close the deal. So figure out your buy box, make sure you're educated, connect with agents, tell them what you're looking for, establish that relationship. And I promise that if you do it enough times, you are going to start having deals come your way from these agents with some really good buying opportunities.